Real hair. Fake hair. Real ice cream. Read the label. If it says frozen dessert, it's just not real. In today's world, it is ever more challenging for companies to defend themselves against constantly evolving cyber threats. Security breaches are happening all the time, and their impact is often devastating. Sensitivity. Your sensitivity is a force, so make your sensitive skin stronger every day with the power of repairing life plankton for a healed, soothed, and stronger skin. Get out there. Move. Go. Dance. Just enjoy. Canadians are making healthy choices when it comes to choosing beverages. Waters, sparkling waters, and beverages in mini cans are increasingly filling grocery store shelves. Juve's modular system is our vision for the future of personalized light therapy. Now, we're making that vision even brighter with a new handheld device. Meet the Juve Go. 90 Day Fiancé premieres October 21st at 8 on TLC and TLC Go.